This conference will
Yes,
now
sir.
be recorded.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, ELA as such can be used in which Srotas diseases? Generally, in which Srotas disease it can be used? Are you able to listen what I asked? सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
Svedavaha.
हमने तो बात किया ना, मैंने बोला अजीर्ण, अग्निमंद्य, क्लेश, अनाहा, right? So क्यों? Because this is very good वातान लोभ का द्रव्य, one of वातान लोभ का द्रव्य, right? That is why it is also used in case of Shwasa Kasa. If you see the Shwasa Kasa Samprapti, then you'll see it is due, the Shwasa and Kasa are due to Vata Pratilomagati. That is why Ela Kanadi or Ela as such can be used in case of Shwasa Kasa, Ajirina, Agnimandya, Anaha, where in the conditions which are due to Vata Pratilomagati. Same in case of diabetes, be it anemia, be it hypertension. ELA is also very good antihypertensive drug. Not very good, but it is proved as antihypertensive drug. So, if you want to use it in case of diabetes and anemia condition, remember the patient should have associated complaints with that of Vata Pratiloma. For example, there should be there may be Udavarta, बार बार डेकर आता रहता है, या फिर ठीक तरह से भूख नहीं लगता रहता, या फिर भूख लगने के बाद खाता है और खाने के बाद बहुत गैसेस डिस्टेंशन हो जाता है, कॉन्स्टिपेटेड स्टूल रहता है, ऐसे कंडीशंस में हम एलादिग्रत दे सकते हैं इन दोज कंडीशंस व्हिच आर हैविंग डायबिटिक कंडीशंस व्हिच आर एसोसिएटेड विद विबंध आनाह, स्पेशली आफ्टर हैविंग फूड. In those conditions it can be given. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I think we will move to another drug, that is Gambhari. We will finish it in pausing screen. It is pausing screen sharing. Screen is visible. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Right. Okay. Then we will move to Gambhari. So next drug is Gambhari. How many? I hope everyone has seen Gambhari, right? सब लोगों ने देखा है Gambhari? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? सुनाई दे रहा है मेरी आवाज?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಿ
ಅದು ಕರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೇ.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ರೂಢಿ ಯಾವ ಅಂಗಡಿ
ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ
ಅದೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I hope everyone has seen the plant of Gambhari. It is one of Brihat Panchamula Dravya and Dashmula Gana. The root is very good in case of Shota Hara property, whereas the fruit is one of good Brihana Dravya. Fruit is Brihana, whereas root is Shota Hara. Its botanical name is Gmelina arborea, belonging to Verbinaceae family or Nirgundicula. According to Charakacharya, it is categorized in Shodhara Dashamani. It is also there in Daha Prashamana Dashamani and Virushnopaka Gana. For Daha Prashamana, its fruit is better to be used, and for Shodhara purpose, its root has to be used. right? Then its synonyms are Kashmiri, Pitarohini, Madhuparni, Shriparni. You might be remembering that there is one drug called as Katukarohini, right? That is different from Pitarohini, right? Pitarohini is because of yellow flowers. Its flowers are yellow. I'll show you the flowers. Then Madhuparni because the leaves are little thick and little fleshy. They are not actually fleshy, but it seems to be fleshy. Madhuparni is also synonym of Guduchi. Remember, Madhuparni is also synonym of Guduchi. So write it down that Madhuparni is synonym of Guduchi, Madhuparni is synonym of Gambhari. So like these questions will come in your All India Entrance PG exams. Then Shriparni is synonym of Gambhari. Shri Phala is synonym of Bilva. Shri Khanda is synonym of Chandana. So these are similar. Synonyms which are seems to be similar. You write down them in one side, so that will help you while reading and to remember, right, and to recall. Right. These are synonyms of Gambhari. Right. This is the Gambhari plant. So this is plant. This is actually medium-sized tree, medium to large-sized tree. It grows very fast. One of fastest growing Bharat Panchamada. It is Gambhari, right? Then these are the flowers. This yellow color is flower, and green and yellow color, that is fruit. Here it is. You can see the leaf. You can see the flowers and the fruit. So leaf, you can see, observe the leaf. Leaf though looks like that of chordate shape, but observe the petiole connection of the leaf here. This part. Like in Pipali Guduchi, which are chordate leaves, what happens? The petiole goes inside, and it forms a notch. Whereas in Gambhari, there is no notch. Gambhari, the leaf is pulled back towards petiole, right? So that is another unique feature of the leaf of Gambhari. So I think all of you have seen the Gambhari plant, and I'm showing you the photos also. I want you people to write down the morphological description of this plant, right? So coming to the Rasaviri Vibhaga, it is Tikta and Kashaya Rasa Pradhana. Fruit is Madhura Rasa. Guna is Guru. Vipaka is Katu. See again, this is again an example of Vichitra Pratyarabdha. Right? Vichitra Pratyarabdha Dravya. Rasa is Tikta. Guna is Guru. Vipaka is Katu. And Veera is Ushna. The fruit is Vata Pitta Shamaka. Remember, the fruit is Vata Pitta Shamaka, and root is mainly actually Vata Shamaka or Kapha Vata Shamaka. Right? And it is Vedana. The fruit is actually having some Samsana action, and it's Shothara, the root. Root is also having Dipana and Pachana property, and fruit is Medhya. Fruit is Medhya. Remember. Coming to the major chemical composition, the one of important chemical composition is beta-citosterol. That is found in Melinar. Then another is melinol. Melinol is another chemical composition. Then this slide is important. Part used are two, that is actually three: root, fruit, and leaves. Now sometimes in flowers are also used. So the mainly two parts are used, that is root and the fruit. Root is very good in case of Shothahara. Root is very good Shothahara, and root is used in case of Dashamula. Whenever you want to use Dashamula, that time you have to use root of Dashamula. And whenever you want to use for Daha Prashamana purpose, Shramahara purpose, or Brahana, Tarpana purpose, that time Vata Pitta Shamana purpose, that time you are supposed to use the fruit of Gambhari. And this is fruiting season of Gambhari. The present season, you can see the Gambhari fruits, right? So Gambhari fruit is Snigdha, Shita, it is Madhura, and it is one of substitute for Mrudvika. It is Pratinidhi Dravya of Mrudvika. Whenever there is Pratinidhi Dravya you want to use, that time you are supposed to, for Mrudvika, you are supposed to use Kashmiri Phala, right? And Kashmiri Phala is Srudhya. Raktapittahara, Kesha, Rasayana, and Medhya. It is Kashmiri Phala, not the root. It is also useful in case of Kshaya. It is Bruhana, Shukrala, Vatahara, Rushya, and Trushnahara, Daha Prashamana, and Kshatahara. And the leaves are, they are Tiktarasa, Tikta Kashayarasa, mainly, Ushnavirya, Guru. Leaves are useful in case of Raktapitta, right? And I told in the beginning that Gambhari fruit is useful as a substitute for grapes or Mrudvika. Pradinendravya Prudvika. Then next is dosage is root or root bark. That is 50 to 100 ml, and fruit powder is 1 to 3 grams. You can use. The preparations, all the Dashmula preparations, you can write Dashmula Kashayam, Dashmula Taila, Dashmula Arista, Dashmula Katukatre Kashayam, like that. You can write for Gambhari. And coming to its usage, therapeutic usage, I am not written it. The fruit of Gambhari is very useful in case of IUGR. There is a reference in Charaka Sharirasthana, that is the fruit of Gambhari along with Yashtimadu. It's Kshirapaka, Yashtimadu and Gambhari Phala, Kshirapaka is useful in case of IUGR. IUGR means intrauterine growth retardation. That is when the fetal growth is not to the optimum level. That in those conditions, Gambhari Phala along with Yashtimadu Kshirapaka can be used. Right? This is Prayoga of Gambhari. I hope Gambhari is clear. I have given you 2 assignments. I want you people to write description of the morphology of Ela as well as Gambhari along with diagram and label. Gambhari is also an important plant. This can be asked for 5 marks. Its morphology also can be asked because this is very commonly available here in our area. And make sure you draw the diagram very neatly and you write the morphology correctly. I hope I am clear. Assignment is clear and there is no doubt. Any doubt? Anybody? If no doubt, then I'll leave the meeting for the right. So write down the assignment properly and I'll share the PPT with you in our group through Google Classroom, and I'll give you the code of Google Classroom. Okay? Okay. Chalo then. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.